Hello guys, I wanted to turn off my phone sensors before accessing the internet, but I realized that in my Xiaomi phone, the settings is not available. Normally you tap on settings, you head over to additional settings, and then you tap on developers option, then you scroll down until you can find quick settings developer tiles. You tap on it. Normally you are going to see sensor off here. From this place, you should be able to turn off and on your phone sensors, all of them at once. But if you realize, you can see that it's not available in my hyperOS in Poco Xiaomi phone. So I'm going to show you how to enable this turn off sensors settings or toggle in your phone. First of all, you must install the following applications. Number one, make sure you download Shizuku from Play Store. Okay, then you also download Prevent. You can see the two of them. Check my previous videos for more tutorials on this. Once you have downloaded these two, you install them, and then you make sure that your developers option has been enabled. If your phone developers option has not been enabled, you head over to settings, then you tap on about phone, then you scroll down to detailed info and specs, and then OS version. You tap on it for 5 to 7 times until you receive this notification. No need, you are already a developer. After this, you are done. You head back to settings again. Okay, then additional settings, then you scroll down to developers option. All right, then from here we'll do some things quickly. You will come to USB debugging. Make sure it is turned on, and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. All right, because if you are not connected, it will not work. So once you have connected to Wi-Fi, then you see wireless debugging. Wireless debugging, make sure you turn it on. Okay, you turn this wireless debugging on. Then we are going to pair Shizuku and Prevent for this tutorial. All right, please search for Prevent in Play Store and download it. You can see they are connected here already. So for you to connect Shizuku, you head over to Shizuku, tap it on, then you see this start via wireless debugging. Under this, you can start it, but first of all you pair. So you tap on pair, this pair, you tap on it, you see this drop down, of course. Then you minimize, head back to your settings again, head back to additional settings, head back to developers option, then come to wireless debugging, and then pair device with pairing code. You see this pair device with pairing code, you tap on it, then you enter this code here, you enter it here. Now okay, you are done. Then next, you repeat the same procedure for Prevent. Repeat the same procedure for Prevent. Is that one clear? Please check my videos. I've dropped this tutorial already. After you successfully connected these two applications, the next step now is to turn off all sensors, your microphone, your camera, your proximity sensor, and all other sensors in your phone. You see this number one here. You see service call sensor dash privacy 8 I32 1. This one is to turn it on. Then if you put 0, you allow sensors. Is that clear? I've captured it here. You can see it. 1 for block sensor, 0 for allow sensor. All right. So if you are ready, you now tap on this and copy. Then we head over to Prevent. Then we enter this command here. You paste this command here and hit enter. All right. You can see it has been executed successfully. At this level juncture, you realize that all sensors in your phone has been turned off. Now, what is the importance of this? This will shield you from the internet. Anytime I want to browse the internet, most of the time, I make sure I turn this off so that they will not be tracking my activities, tracking my eyeball like Facebook is currently doing. I'm going to make a video and to show you the importance of this in my next video. If you want to turn it off, you change this 1 to 0. Is that one clear? Please change this 1 to 0 and hit enter. That is all.